Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a project timeline with Asana, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your Asana account.
Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to create your project.
Click on the plus button to start a new project.
You can choose to create a blank project or use one of the available templates.
For this guide, select blank project to customize it to your needs. Name your project in the pop-up window.
Pick a layout that suits your project's workflow, either list or board view.
Now, click on Create Project. Once your project is created, add tasks by clicking on the Add Task button. Type in the name of your first task and hit Enter to save. To add more tasks, repeat this process for each item in your timeline. After entering all tasks, click on each task to add more details.
You can assign tasks to team members by entering their names in the Assignee field. Set due dates for each task by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting a date. Next, use the description field to provide additional context for each task.
To create dependencies, click on the three-dot menu in each task. Select Add Dependency and choose the task that needs to be completed first. This will help visualize the order of tasks on your timeline. Now, transition to the timeline view by clicking on the Timeline tab at the top.
In this view, you can adjust the dates by dragging tasks along the timeline. Make sure to align tasks properly based on their start and end dates.
If you need to allocate resources, click on the Assign button in the timeline view.
This allows you to set who is responsible for each task visually.
If you make any changes, ensure you save your project periodically.
Lastly, invite team members to the project by clicking on the Share button.
Copy the link or enter their email addresses to send invites directly.
Once everyone is added, your project timeline will be collaborative and fully functional.
You've now successfully created a project timeline using Asana.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.